Hey everybody, it's Jesse here with St. Joe Harley-Davidson, and last week we talked about the foundation of Screamin' Eagle performance upgrades. This week we're going to get a little more in depth and we're going to talk about a Stage 1 performance upgrade. So the Stage 1 does consist of air cleaner, exhaust, and of course the foundation, the tuner. So just to kind of start off, we're going to talk about the first air cleaner, which is just kind of your basic air cleaner. You keep your stock cover, kind of gives it the stock appearance, but it is a high flow filter and a high flow backplate. So it does open up the air a little bit more and allows more airflow. The next one up would be the Screamin' Eagle ventilator, and that is a completely open, different air cleaner cover and everything. It's completely open air cleaner, so you get a lot more air with this one, and it pairs nice with other Screamin' Eagle performance upgrades. And the last one is the Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle heavy breather, and they have kind of changed this one a little bit. It does come with a throttle body cover, so you don't have your throttle body wires hanging out anymore. And you also have it in chrome or black. So if you have any other questions or anything pertaining to Stage 1 performance upgrades, give us a call or come on out and see us here at St. Joe Harley-Davidson.